All right, y'all, so I got my ClickBank account pulled up right here. As you can see, in the last 24 hours, I've been able to make $131.95. Today I'm at $70, but yesterday it was $60. Now, I was kind of nervous yesterday. I'm not even gonna lie. I spent like, was it $75 or $77? I can't remember the exact number on influencers, and I was like $15 in the negative. So I was like, damn, hopefully I can go get some sales. Now, when I woke up today, I had 0 sales. Then it was around like, right now it's 4 in the afternoon on Saturday, and I woke up, like I said, with no sales, and then it was like 11 a.m., 12, 11 a.m. Noon, I ended up getting a sale for $30. And then when I checked probably like an hour ago, I got another sale for another $30. So right now, well, not $30, but y'all know 30, 35 or something like that. And those I think was from either late sales or like up sales or something like that. So right now, the day is not over. It's still what? 8 hours left in the day. I could potentially make turn this into $100 day. All I spent was $77. I'm gonna just say $77 on shout out, and I am in profit right now. It was, might as well say $62. And if you haven't been following along, man, I've been using Instagram influencers. And if I take the spirituality niche, which is one of my favorite ones to talk about, soul manifestation offer pays out $23 on average per sale, has a gravity of 166. You can go take an offer like this. This is pretty much the sales page of the offer. You can go and create a landing page for it, similar to this, using ClickFunnels, Cartra, Weebly, whatever landing page builder that you're using. Go and find Instagram influencers inside of your niche and reach out to them. Basically ask them how much would it cost for a promotion on a page. Y'all discuss, negotiate a pricing, the ads that you're gonna be using, as far as all that good stuff, and then y'all go schedule a promotion, and you go and make your commissions. Now, if I don't need to pull up the calculator. I already went over the math with y'all. Now, what I did was create the Instagram influencer marketing course. It's already created, but the course is going to release on January 1st, 2021. So depending on the time you're watching this video, the course, it will be either the waiting list course below or the actual link to go and purchase the course. Either way, get on the waiting list if you're watching this video before 2021. If it is 2021 and you're watching this video, go and grab the influencer marketing course, because you might be catching it at a time where it's the launch week. Because during launch week, I'm gonna have it at $67. Then after that, it's either gonna be past 100 or it's probably gonna be like $97 or something like that. I don't know yet, but right now it's still early December. I don't really know the pricing on it, the real pricing of it after launch week. So get on the waiting list, man. If you're watching this video ahead of time, afterwards, go and grab the course. It's very, very easy to see your first $100, your first 300, 500, first 1,000, whatever your goals is with ClickBank. I got it all covered. It comes with 15 plus done few campaigns, 24/7 lifetime access, private student group, pretty much everything, and you get my support 24/7. So that's pretty much all I got for this video, man. Leave a like, leave a comment, get on the waiting list, and I will see y'all in the next video.